everyone, Steph here from Family Health and Happiness. Today I'm just going to do something a little bit different. So I'm organising my pantry at the moment and I'm finding it hard to find the particular shelving for my pantry. So I'm just doing a little bit of a DIY project and I thought I'd share it with you because it's so easy and really affordable. So you could get people at Bunnings to cut these to size for you. And if you want to, and all you really need to know how to do then is how to use a drill. It's that easy. The particular measurements I'm using, I'm not going to share those with you just because my cabinetry is probably going to be a lot different to yours. I'm just going to show you how I got those measurements, and then that way you can tailor it to the size of your pantry. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, this is the pantry. Mind my washing machine to the side there. We are just doing the tiling in the laundry, so everything's pulled out. But anyway, so this is the pantry, semi-organized. I do have a lot of stuff cluttered up there, just as obviously I don't have the room. And I'm just looking at building some shelving. So I've just measured right across here, and then I've measured from the top down. And basically what I've done is I've just got the items that I'd like to do. So the chicken stock, for instance. So I've measured from the top up here, and then had a look at the chicken stock, and then I've sort of just measured from where that's going to be down, and then I've just taken like the width of the shelf, if that makes sense. So then I've done the next tier as well, might be, you know, another 100 mil off, then the next one another 100 or whatever it might be that you're doing, but just whatever works for you. So this is a timber that I'm using. It's just a good size for the cans and the stock that I'm using. But if you're using something that might be a bit wider, you might want to buy a wider piece of timber. You can also buy narrower pieces of timber. And I've just measured 200 mils. So 200 is the height that I want. So these are going to be the feet of the stand. So I'll cut this one and then I'll measure from this end and then mark again another 200 and then cut that one. So you don't want to mark them all out to start with. And just remembering also that the width of your saw as well, if you're hand cutting them or however you're cutting, just take into account, so that when you are measuring it out, it wouldn't matter so much for the top of the shelf, but for the legs you want them to be straight. You don't want them to be a little bit wobbly. Sandpaper. It's just what I've got lying around. And give it a bit of sand. Sand all edges. Just going to sand this edge, all these edges, and then just the front. It's pretty easy. It's easy to sand it. Now I'm just drilling a hole, so I'm just going to get the center of my wood there. And you want it to go through both pieces of wood. Okay, and this is the final result. So I did do 3 tiers. I did cut out 3 tiers, but I haven't used the third one just because I need to buy a bigger clamp, so I haven't been able to do that one. And I will end up painting them just so they're easy to clean. So I would be painting them maybe in a semi-gloss or a gloss paint just to make it easier to clean and bog up those holes too from the screws. But at this point I just want it done because it's like a mess in there, just to make it more functional. So yeah, as you can see, as I said, there's a tier missing, but look at how much neater it is. You can see everything, you can get to everything that's there. I hope you all enjoyed today's DIY. Thank you for watching Family Health and Happiness. If you liked the video, please click the like button and leave a comment below. What have you done in your house to make it more functional for you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.